Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today's is actually a project video. Yay! It's been a little while since I actually got to do one of these, but today I have a project and it's a pretty simple one, but still something I wanted to share. I will be making cat magnets, so here we go. Okay, so the first thing for this project is I have these little cat figurines that I got. I'm not going to use all of them, I'm just going to use some of them, like 5 or so. But I got some of these cat figurines, and I bought these at a craft store, but I'm sure you could find these, honestly, anywhere. You could go search online, you could, mainly online, but these are some of the cats that I will be using. So I'm going to pick which ones I want. This white one. Okay. Now, with these figures, if you'd want to, you probably could paint them. Like, you could spray paint them, like if the place you want to use these magnets has like a color theme, like the room has a color theme, you could probably spray paint these. I'm actually going to leave them the way they are because I like that they're colored. I like that they're colored. So, and then all I'm really going to do is I'm just going to hot glue a magnet onto the back of each cat. I know, super exciting stuff here, but honestly this is pretty much it. But I wanted to share my idea. I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one who ever had this idea, to be honest, but that's okay. I thought it would be cute, you know, different like magnets, you know, not boring magnets or whatever, and you made it yourself. Plus you could use this with like any figurines, you know, like if you're not a cat person, then make it a dog, make them dogs, or you know, if you're into like insects or other stuff like that, just pretty much use whatever figurines you want. The possibilities are endless. Alrighty, and then after that all you have to do is just let them dry. So that is how I created the little cat magnets. I'm actually really happy with them. I think they are absolutely adorable and will be a nice little addition to the fridge. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!